Did you know that dogs have an incredible ability to detect cancer? It's true. Some dogs can actually smell specific compounds linked to certain cancers, like lung or breast cancer, even before doctors can find them. Imagine that! These furry detectives can alert their owners to seek medical attention, potentially saving lives. There are heartwarming stories of dogs nudging their humans or acting strangely, leading to early diagnoses. It's fascinating how their sense of smell is thousands of times more sensitive than ours. So next time you see your dog sniffing around, remember, they might just be picking up on something important. Now you know!